Discover what happens when you combine honey and cinnamon daily. Researchers have explored their benefits for over 2 decades. Cinnamon and honey not only taste great together, but also create a powerful medicinal duo when combined. Cinnamon has been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for over 2,000 years. Honey boasts a rich historical significance. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, known for anti-inflammatory properties, while honey is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. These two foods reduce inflammation, combat free radicals, and enhance the immune system, providing remarkable health benefits. Honey and cinnamon can relieve arthritis, strengthen the immune system for allergies, and improve cardiovascular health by maintaining artery flexibility. They also help manage diabetes by lowering blood sugar and cholesterol levels and prevent colds by inhibiting bacteria growth and boosting immunity. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.